Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your WhatsApp chat theme step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store or Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, because new theme features may not appear on older versions. Once updated, open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Now tap on Appearance or Chats depending on your device. Here you'll find options related to your chat theme. Tap on Chat Theme or Default Theme, and now you can choose from different styles like Light Mode, Dark Mode, or other available themes. Simply select the one you like and it will be applied instantly to your chats. You can always come back here and change it anytime you want. And that's it. That's how you can easily customize your WhatsApp chat theme. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.